Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Reviews, and I'm using the TONOR Q9 microphone. This thing is great for podcasting, it's great for YouTubing, and just great for narration in general. Also, it looks cool if you're setting up your own studio. So you can hear my voice, you can hear the quality. Now let's go ahead and just compare it with the microphone that's built into my computer that you would normally use for webcamming and things of the sorts. By contrast, this is the audio quality for the built-in mic of my Dell G5 Alienware GeForce GTX laptop, top dollar work laptop. So I think you could hear the difference between a professional quality microphone like this and just using your cheap microphone that comes with your computer, laptop, gaming system, etc. So again, this comes to us from TONOR. I went ahead and set this up so I can use it accordingly. Now, the beginning of the video was using the microphone. Right now I'm just using the microphone on my cell phone, so you can hear the difference as well, that this is going to be much better quality overall. So it does come with this essentially wind guard, I guess would be the correct term, that you can put here. I like using this setup, but also easy to add on is you could do it this way and use this to talk into and protect from the wind and sound from your voice. This is a cardioid microphone, giving you some direction into your face, but not getting some of those distant directions as well. Easy to set up. The box took me less than 5 or 10 minutes to set up. It just has a clip on one side. You clip it onto your desk like I've done here, and then the springs and everything to where you can move it to where you need it. You really sound and feel like a radio broadcaster with a microphone like this. Now, you just kind of tighten it down. Once you get it in place, you tighten it down, and it's good to go. The microphone itself has the ability to adjust the volume right here, up and down 5% at a time. And if you hold it down for a longer press, it'll turn off the blue light that's attached to it with a USB cable connecting it right here. So you can pretty much plug and play this into your laptop and you're good to go. Automatically recognizes it. You may have to change the input microphone, but really simple. Not like back in the day when you would install a microphone and it was just a little bit harder to get things going. You'd have to put a CD in there, you have to install drivers. This thing is ready to go. It's nice, it's stylish, and it's well made. Easy to set up, and now, if I'm going to go ahead and do my podcasting, which I do, if I'm going to do my reviews where I'm narrating, this is plugged right into my desk, right into my setup, and I can talk and I sound professional. And again, something that I've noticed that with doing product reviews is every little bit counts. If you're trying to become a professional podcaster, an announcer, whatever it is, having the right lighting, having the right sound, having the right quality, the screen behind you, whatever it is, that little bit raises the bar and makes you just that much better than the competition. And that's really the advantage, because people will see that you're putting in the effort, you're doing the research, you're doing everything you need to do. Now you can see all that this has, this will rotate 270 degrees right up here, 180, 360, so you really have full control over your microphone setup. It's really a great system. Now this product is available on Amazon, so you can click the Amazon link and you can purchase it there for only $69.99 is the current price. I don't like to give prices because sometimes they change, so don't quote me on that. If you're watching this and purchasing a year from now, it's gone up or down by 5%. You can see the cardioid microphone pickup, the 16 millimeter diaphragm, everything about it, and the built-in quality chipset. This is a high-end microphone. You can see that it does have this blue light on it to tell you that it's on, but again, the long press on your microphone will turn that off. So really a fantastic microphone. This is amazing in the fact that a microphone like this 10 years ago probably would have cost you for this quality upwards of $1,000. Now you can get it for less than $100. This just shows us that technology is advancing, quality is advancing, the chipsets, the price have come down, and you can really get a quality product and you can do professional applications for a very good price. Comes with everything you need to set up, including the USB that plugs right in. The what I call kind of the wind guard. There's probably a better term for that. The case to hold it. Everything you would need. Fantastic. Very good quality. Very good price. So again, folks, I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. If you're looking to become a podcaster, a singer, an online gamer, if you're going to play your instrument, whatever it is, this is the microphone for you. This gives you a full spectrum of quality, and it's really what I would recommend if you're starting off and you really want to sound professional in your audio quality. Please click like and subscribe. We have new videos all the time. Thank you so much for joining us. And if you're interested in all of our notifications, hearing more from us, click that notification bell for updates. Thank you so much for coming. I like doing these. This is a fun channel for me. I got a lot of YouTube channels, but this one is my personal favorite. I have a lot of fun with it. I'm so glad you're here, so thanks for watching. And adios, amigos.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.